Is your Galaxy Watch 8 showing "Check your connection and try again" when mobile data, cellular or LTE isn't working? Let's fix this issue. When it happens, first restart the watch. Simply swipe down the quick access panel and turn off the device. Wait for a while and then turn it back on. If the problem persists, from settings on your watch, go to connections. Make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on in your watch. If you're still having the same problem, let's grab your sync device and first of all, make sure your mobile data is turned on in your phone and you have enough data pack in it. Also make sure that your watch is connected to your Android phone. After that, open the wearable app, go to Watch Settings. From there, scroll down and enter Advanced Features. Find out Remote Connection, enter the settings and simply toggle on this button. Hopefully your watch can now use the mobile data from your sync device. Thanks for watching.